Alright, I'm gonna start this recording on the GoPro. First log of the day. Um, I have Circus Babies Rentals and Entertainment again. So we're just gonna make my way over there. Log end. Log number 2 of the day. We have Funtime, Freddy, and Bon. I just need to fix up these circuits and then end the shift. So, uh, did you move? Your head turned. Huh.
I see you over there in the dark!
Okay, we have finally ended the shift. Um, Now I'm gonna fix you. End log. Log 3 of the day, and we're in parts and service now. Just gotta get my wrench, to fix up Funtime Freddy and Bon. Then we'll send him to the scooper room. Alright, gonna lift up your hand real quick. Put your hand down. This hand up. Good. Hmm. Right there. Oh, sorry, my camera's pretty glitchy, but we got his head up. Now I gotta press his bow tie, and then Bon will be ready for him to take out. Take up Bon, Freddy. Whoa, why are you getting off your stage? Got Bon right there. Uh, oh, I gotta end this shit. Log 3 of today, and I'm going to bed.